Your skin is amazing. It protects you from the outside world. Think of your skin barrier as a strong shield. This shield is made of special cells and oils. A healthy skin barrier keeps the good stuff in and the bad stuff out. It locks in moisture, keeping your skin hydrated and plump. Without a healthy barrier, your skin becomes vulnerable. It can get dry, itchy, and irritated easily. How do you know if your skin barrier is damaged? Your skin might feel tight and dry, even after moisturizing. You might experience redness, itching, or burning sensations. These are signs your skin is struggling. Breakouts can also be a sign of a compromised skin barrier. When your skin is irritated, it's more prone to inflammation and acne. If you notice these signs, don't panic. There are ways to repair and restore your skin's natural defense system. Think of repairing your skin barrier like healing a wound. First, we need to soothe and calm the irritation. Gentle cleansers are your new best friend. Harsh soaps strip away natural oils, damaging your skin barrier. Next, we need to restore hydration. Look for moisturizers with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide. Ceramides are like the glue that holds your skin cells together. Hyaluronic acid is a moisture magnet, drawing water to the skin. Niacinamide is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and redness. It also strengthens the skin barrier over time. Overexfoliating is a common mistake that damages the skin barrier. While exfoliation is good, too much can strip away those protective layers. Avoid harsh scrubs and limit exfoliation to 1 to 2 times a week. Hot showers might feel good, but they can dry out your skin. Opt for lukewarm water instead. Remember, a healthy skin barrier is the foundation of healthy, radiant skin. By following these tips and being gentle with your skin, you can restore its natural balance and achieve a healthy glow. Please subscribe for more health tips, and you can get the product in my channel description or comment by clicking the link.